My ambitions as a scientist are, in one sense, really simple. I want to have fun and do amazing science by bringing together people with different backgrounds and different interests. And of course, the real ambition is to make a dent in the universe and to actually develop meaningful new approaches to combat disease. The Molecular Horizons project brings together physicists, chemists and biologists to study the molecular processes of life, mainly by visualizing them. And we intend to do this at several length scales. We want to visualize how life works really at the atomic level. So we want to bring in the powerful microscopes that allow us to see really at the atomic and molecular level within single cells how life works, what the molecules inside cells are doing. And we want to be able to visualize life at the cellular level, what happens when you bring cells together, studying diseases related to motor neuron disease, for example. And we want to be able to visualize life at the tissue end. So the Molecular Horizons initiative is really bringing together people from different disciplines to look at life in different ways, with the central theme being visualizationists. So that not only are we using tools, microscopy tools, to see how life works, but we also bring on board the physicists and the engineers to develop the new tools. So as the research projects are going, and we are looking at these biological processes that are relevant for disease mechanisms and coming up with potentially new approaches to cures. In the meantime, we're pushing the technical envelope and developing new microscopes as we go. That's pretty exciting, I think. The focus of the Molecular Horizons Institute will be on basic molecular science, understanding how these proteins work at a basic level. So the idea is that you would visualize these proteins, understand how they work, either by researchers at UW or elsewhere, and then take this information and continue to build on it, either here or elsewhere, and translate it, as we call it, meaning that you would use that information to translate into actual drugs and actual novel therapeutic strategies. The goal is to really become a national, even international hub for cryo-electron microscopy or molecular visualization in general, and to really become a center for Australian and international researchers to visit here, also to recruit scientists to become UW academics, and to have a very dynamic exchange of people from anywhere in the world.